At the time of transferring from life at death, the body's water, fire, and wind elements are disturbed, and it can no longer support heat or consciousness. This marks the severing of one's vital force. The aggregates, elements, and sense sources, together with their objects, all gradually fade. But to emphasize what is most important, this is spoken of as the dissolution of the elements, because whenever a support dissolves, whatever relies upon it will certainly dissolve as well. Wisdom Display says, "First earth dissolves into water, water then dissolves into fire, fire dissolves into wind, and wind then dissolves into consciousness. That very consciousness then enters into clear light.